So guys, if you have a child or children that helps you to do most works on Saturday, you don't know what God did for you. Yes, because what I'm saying this thing is that at least my children are now helpful to me. Yes, and I'm proud of it. If I should tell you that all the laundry that happened in this house today, all their clothes, they are the one that did it, and I'm so happy that they are learning it. You understand? Let me just show you guys my bag. Can you see my bag? They are the one that did that laundry. Just turn around. All these things, they are the ones that did all this laundry. Let me go to the backyard. See, I don't want to off this thing and flip the camera again. Can you see all these clothes? They are the ones that did it, and I'm so happy that they are learning. Yes, I'm so happy. Even to mob house, they will still be the one to mob it. So if you have a child or children that helps you do some things in the house, my sister, say thank you Jesus, because there are some times that you will not feel, you will not have that strength, or your body will say please rest. Today I'm resting, and they are the one doing it, and they are now mobbing, because the mobbing part is that Henry will be the first person to mob, because they have shared the position. Henry will mob first, then Treasure will go, Vicky will be the last person to mob this parlor side. You understand? So I'm so happy that they are doing it and they are learning it. You understand? They might not be perfect in it, but one day they will be perfect in all these house chores, washing and the mopping of the house. But anyhow they did it, I'm so happy and I'm grateful for this stage they are. You understand? Just tell me anything in the comment section. In fact, tell me congratulations, because my kids now help me in house chores. You understand? So I want to enter kitchen and prepare will I call it concoction rice or pamoye rice, anyone, but it's rice that is entering for this afternoon. Let's just make small tea for them to eat. See, Henry is sweeping. You understand? So let me just make small food for them. Vicky, give me my tripod. Leave there now. On that up. Oh, yeah, leave it like that.
Mommy is going to join us. Mommy,
you're going to eat with us.
I will eat too. Not so much. Oh, yeah.
That's take your own.
let me take and what is on last one.
So if you use rubber spoon, it's anything. Just creating problem. So guys, come let's go and eat.
Creating a big. No,
Sit on my lap. I don't know that if it is palm oil or fried rice or jollof rice.